Hi, my name is William Hafey. I am a student from the Hartford Art School from the University of Hartford.
Hi, my name is Gabe Julian, and I am a student from Trinity College. And we are showing you how to create your artist profile for the Camino project and also send the footage to us through the internet. One important note, always remember to shoot your phone sideways in landscape instead of portrait. In this video, we will show you how to film yourself doing your artwork
Hi, I'm Robert Abbott. I'm a
and
filmmaker.
talking about your life.
I work here at the Farmington Valley Arts Center.
We will show you how to film yourself using a smartphone or computer and what kind of angles are best. We would like you to be able to shoot in your own workspace, so you are going to want to prop your phone against something, such as a book, a lamp, or an item that will keep the phone steady if you are alone. The video will be better quality if the camera stays steady the entire time. To take a video, you can simply swipe left on the lock screen to easily get to the camera. You can also go to the camera app in your phone and swipe left along the screen to get to the video. To start the video, press the large red dot. If you happen to be using a laptop, most Mac computers have an application called Photo Booth that takes videos. Go to your applications and search for Photo Booth and click on the application. Simply point the screen towards your workstation, click the camera button, switch it to video, and film yourself doing your artwork. Other computers should have similar camera applications. There are a few angles that you can use to shoot a video of yourself doing your artwork. There is the over the shoulder shot, which is shot over the shoulder of you while doing your artwork. A close-up shot, which is a close-up of the artist's face while they are working. You can also take a close-up shot of the artwork if you like. Another good shot is a long shot, which shows you in your entire workspace. This is done from a further point in the room. If you happen to have someone else with you, they can shoot from different angles as well. You can shoot a moving shot where the camera goes from right to left and vice versa. Remember to continue to have the person holding the phone sideways instead of upright while they are shooting. Most importantly, feel free to be as artistic as you want. If you think a shot will look good, go for it, and remember to have fun. For the talking portion of the video, you can either just talk on your own or have someone interview you. Set up the phone or device in the same way as before by propping it up against an object and having the camera on you. Start the video and tell us anything you want to be featured in your profile.
I grew up in Miami. I went to Florida
You can
State
talk directly
University.
into the camera if you want.
I work
If
with
you have
Cindy
someone with
every
you,
day.
you can talk to
Here
them
in my
while they are
office, I make
interviewing you.
films. I've done 230 for 30 films.
Now, to share the video with us, you are going to want to access your Google Drive. If you happen to be using a computer to upload the files, access the Google Drive through your Gmail. Then, click on the Shared with Me files on the left menu. Access the Camino All Artists file that has been shared with you, and click into the folder with your name. Click New in the top left corner of the screen. Then, go through your photos and videos on your computer and select the videos you have created for the Camino project. The files will be uploaded into the folder.
Thank you for being part of the Camino project, and we hope that this video was helpful to you.
And if you have any problems, feel free to contact us.